Now that you've seen the basics of DroneDeploy, you can enhance your experience by leveraging the DroneDeploy App Marketplace, where you'll find advanced flight planning applications, operations management tools, third-party integrations, and even industry-specific applications in construction, agriculture, mining, inspection, and many more. The marketplace also includes some of our premium integrations, such as Procore, Bluebeam, Autodesk BIM 360, Google Drive, and much more. We're working with a variety of partners to deliver new apps every month and enhance your experience and functionality with DroneDeploy. Be sure to check back often for new apps and shoot us a message if there's an app or an integration you'd be interested in. Beyond managing your data, we also allow you to manage your entire drone program. Our enterprise customers have the ability to monitor their operations globally by looking at individual flight logs and active flights happening across their entire organization, tracking their equipment, viewing pilots, their activity, as well as their certification information, and the ability to take a look at our compliance dashboard that allows them to easily see who or what is within or out of compliance from a quick glance. That concludes our Zero to Hero series. To continue your learning, be sure to check out the DroneDeploy Academy at academy.dronedeploy.com, where you can attend our latest product webinars, master the fundamentals, and get certified. Congratulations on becoming a DroneDeploy hero.